Stop criticizing others. Sometimes people say to women who wear their hijab, they say that this you are wearing is not a hijab. It's better if you stop wearing it. Sometimes people say to men who shave their beard and they say that this is not the correct way to keep your beard. It will be better if you clean shave it. If people pray their salah for 1 or 2 times a day, the people say that if you can't pray 5 times a day, what is the use of praying? It's better if you don't pray. When people open Quran once in a year, they say, why do you open Quran only in Ramadan? It is not going to benefit you. So this all or nothing mentality is very wrong. This all is Satan's biggest trick to make a human hopeless. We in our real life and on social media, we always criticize others over them. So you are helping Shaitan. If you make a human hopeless from Allah's mercy and they stop making efforts, then what's gonna happen? Do you have any idea how disappointed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be from you? Always remember, religious arrogance is Satan's trait. Satan felt he was better than Adam alayhi salam. Don't you do the exact same thing with others? Don't you criticize others deen thinking you are better than them? Whenever you see someone trying to make some efforts to their deen, please encourage them so they feel encouraged to do more efforts. Nobody is perfect. Even you and I are also not perfect. Just like how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala hides our mistakes and focus on our good deeds, so you also try to overlook others' mistakes and encourage others positively. My beautiful people, always remember, love is more powerful than hate.